This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Monica Swanson. Welcome to this beautiful split-bedroom floor plan home with gorgeous pond views. When entering the home, you are greeted with an open floor living/dining area with plenty of natural lighting, making this home perfect for entertaining or enjoying family time. The kitchen has plenty of storage with espresso cabinetry, stone countertops, kitchen island, and stainless steel appliances. The dining area is perfect for all your family meals. Enjoy tranquil evenings in your spacious primary bedroom with ensuite bath and large walk-in closet. This home has an irrigation system, and in-wall pest control system and a water filter system with reverse osmosis. Walking through the sliders, you are greeted to a covered porch and fenced backyard with a beautiful pond view and conservation area where you will see plenty of birds, fish and turtles. In addition, your power bill will be so low due to the fully paid for solar panels. This beautiful home is found in a great community that includes a swimming pool, cabana, playground, dog park, nature trails, and more. Centrally located in the fast-growing South Shore area with plenty of dining, entertainment and outdoor activities. Enjoy a great dining experience at some of these great restaurants such as Ybor Grill, Circle's Waterfront Restaurant or Finn's Dockside Bar and Grill. Plenty of entertainment can be found at local establishments like Society Wine Bar, Salty Shamrock, and Latitudes Apollo. Enjoy waterside yoga at Apollo Beach Nature Preserve, take your kayak or paddleboard out on the Little Manatee River State Park or take the little ones to the Manatee Viewing Center. Conveniently located near US 41 and I-75, making an easy commute to Tampa, St. Petersburg or Sarasota, and access to national sports attractions and Tampa Bay's gorgeous beaches. Call me to view this move-in ready home. Your home is waiting for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Swanson at 813-296-1393.